Hey guys, this morning I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to create a webinar on YouTube Google Hangouts. The benefit of using this is that you don't need to pay for it. So as many people can jump on as you want, and the replay will go straight to YouTube. So anyone that can't catch it live, you'll then have a really easy to share YouTube link that you can send to absolutely anyone in any group, email it out, whatever you want to do. So I find it super handy for that. It is public, so if you're not wanting the video to go public, I guess use Zoom or something else. But yeah, I like doing everything public and available for everyone. So it works really well for me. So I'm going to screen share and show you guys how to do it. So you just jump on your YouTube channel and press your little picture of your face up here and go to Creator Studio. And where it says live streaming, you don't want to do that because it's like encoding software and really tricky to use and I can't figure it out. But anyway, press the arrow next to live streaming and go to events. And then you want to go new live event. So you can see I've created some here. This is one I'm doing tonight on understanding and supporting ASD autism spectrum naturally. So once that's finished, like if you're watching this video in a month or so, it'll be on my YouTube channel, so you'll be able to watch the replay. So just go to new live event. And we're going to call it Principles for Creating a Wildly Successful doTERRA Business. And I'm going to create that for Wednesday the 25th. And it does this thing where it flicks back to today. I don't know why it does that. So just make sure that it's actually gone to the time that you're wanting to do it on. Double check before you put it out live. That's the date and time I want to create it for, and it will have it in your time zone. So just let people know to go to a world clock so they can pick in their time zone. Join Jessie Reimers. So just give it a good description, describing exactly why people would want to join you. And remember guys, when you're titling a webinar, always make it something that's going to solve your audience's pain point. Don't just make it something generic like Essential Oils 101 or, I don't know, just generic stuff. Because would you want to register for a webinar if you didn't know what essential oils were and didn't really care? Or would you rather register for a webinar that actually solved the pain point, like helping kids focus in school, sleep and stay calm or something like that? That's not a great webinar title necessarily, but you get what I mean. Or supporting pain management, or supporting women's health, something like that. Supporting gut health, creating beautiful skin, something like that. So those are pretty poor examples, but you get the drift. Anyway, leave it as public and use Google Hangouts on air setting, and then just click create event. And it's popped up down here. So you just want to click on that and it will take you to the webinar. So I just clicked on the name, and it'll say live in 21 days at the time, and they can click set reminder and they'll get a reminder on the computer. So you can tell people to do that. And then just go up to the URL bar up here and copy and paste it. So I just go Command C because I'm on Mac, or just right click and click copy, and then you can paste it into your Facebook event or group or whatever you're using. When it comes actually time for doing the event, you just want to go to Start Hangout on the air at the time. It'll open up a big new screen, and then down the bottom you want to hit Start Broadcast when you're ready to actually go live. On the left-hand toolbar, there will be a bunch of things like the screen share option, which is like a little arrow, and different things. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. That's how you do it. And then you can do a webinar to as many people as you want without having to pay for any services. It generally works really well. Make sure, guys, that you use Google Chrome. Other browsers are crap, and sometimes the sound doesn't work and stuff. So update your browser to the latest version of Google Chrome. Make sure you've got a good internet connection, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See ya.